So this is my drugstore way to making small lips look larger. So, got a little bit of foundation on my lips, but that is okay. This is the LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner in the shade Keep It Spicy. This is my ride or die lip liner. She is a beauty. Look at her. The perfect combination between red and brown, which is really gonna help define the outer rim of the lips to make them look bigger. So I do not overline my lips. It just doesn't look good on me. It looks good on some people, but like the way my lips are shaped, I don't overline them. First, I'm gonna define my Cupid's bow by creating an X. And that's my real Cupid's bow. I didn't really go outside on my skin. This is only on my lips. And then on the very edge of my lip, I'm going to define it with the lip liner. All the way down to the fold in my lip. And I'm making them even. And then now I'm going to define my bottom lip. Like I said, on the edge of skin and lip. Not over defining, but just right on the line. And see how I'm bringing this in on my lip too in the outer edge? Okay. So my lips are defined. Now I'm gonna go in with the Revlon Matte Nude Attitude. And this is what she looks like. I've had this for years. This is my go-to lipstick for dotting on the center to make your lips look fuller. So now I'm just gonna apply my lipstick. To blend it in. So depending how much of your eyeliner is shining through, you can go back in with the eyeliner and define a little bit. I'm just going to do a tad on the outside. And then I'm gonna go in with some Nude gloss. This is the E.L.F. Peach Bellini Lip Plumping Gloss. And for being a drugstore and E.L.F. product, this works amazing. So I'm just gonna blot it on and then pat it with my finger. Take any bronzer. I'm going to use the Hoola Benefit. I'm just going to be using the E.L.F. Morphe JH10, and you're just going to pat a brush like this, or a small eyeshadow brush, some kind of brush, because you're just going to apply a small amount of bronzer under this lip to give it a shadow effect. So this brush is too big actually. So here I just found a small eyeshadow brush. I'm just gonna go under like that. And then you're going to take a highlight and you're going to put some on your Cupid's bow and some on your bottom lip. That is optional. This is a drugstore tutorial. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Precious Petals. Just like that. And so I naturally have a very small lips, and this is just what I do to give my lips more life and look fuller without doing the overdrawn lip liner look, because I don't know, it looks good on some people, but it doesn't do much for me at all. And so this is just what I've come up with. It's affordable, it's drugstore. Like this lip liner is $5, this lipstick I want to say is like $6 or $7, and the E.L.F. lip gloss is like $5. So I don't know, these are affordable products and they do the job. They make my lips look plump. Also, the longer you wear the lip plumping gloss, the more plump they get. And also a secret is just putting it in the center and keeping the rest of the lip matte. That also has an effect of making them look bigger. And that is my drugstore fuller lip tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.